Hey guys, welcome back to the World of Tech. I'm Darren Dunn with a review of the Apple wired keyboard. So this is the Apple wired keyboard, obviously, and I got the one without the numeric keypad. I unboxed this a few days ago, and the time for a review is, well, past its time. So some people call this the Apple chiclet keyboard, and you can see why, because the keys are no more than a chiclet. They're not raised too much, is what I like about them. As you can see, they are hardly raised, but they are raised. The keys are well spread out as well. That's another thing. It's with the keys being well spread out, less room for error. I've also noticed it wasn't too hard to convert from a PC keyboard to a Mac keyboard, and there is some differences. For a start, let me show you some of the differences. So let's go to the top. Sorry, too far. Just some of the differences. These keys here will not work with PC. So that's the brightness button, that's the expose, F4 is time machine, F5 and F6 are standard, rewind, fast forward, play, fast forward, volume up, volume down, unmute and mute, and the eject button. Also, down here you have a few changes. You have, not many people notice this, but a cool looking green light for your down here. So this is one thing that you will have to get used to. There's control, there's command. So they're in different places. I most of the time press command instead of control accidentally. But overall, this is a very nice keyboard to type with. I can recommend this. This is going to run you about £30. So that's it for this review, guys. I'd have to give it a 10 out of 10. For exclusive content, follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/worldofTechUK, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.